If you own a BMW, you've probably heard two things from two different people. One says the transmission is sealed for life and you should never touch it. The other says change the fluid every 30,000 miles, or you're living on borrowed time. Both of those people sound confident, and one of them is going to cost you thousands of dollars. I'm Hank, and I've been wrenching on cars for over 20 years. Welcome to SUV Hype. Today we're cutting through the noise and talking about exactly what BMW transmission fluid you need, when to change it, and the one mistake high-mileage BMW owners make that silently destroys a perfectly healthy gearbox. The two transmissions you need to know. Before anything else makes sense, you need to know what transmission is actually sitting inside your BMW. Because giving the wrong advice to the wrong transmission is exactly how these expensive disasters happen. Most modern BMWs use automatic transmissions built by ZF Friedrichshafen, a German company that manufactures some of the most sophisticated gearboxes in the world. Starting around 2001, BMW began fitting the ZF 6-speed automatic, known as the 6HP family. You'll see variants like the 6HP19, 6HP26, and 6HP28 across the 3 Series, 5 Series, X5, and other models. This transmission ran in BMW lineups until roughly 2013. From around 2010 onward, BMW transitioned to ZF's 8-speed automatic, the 8HP family. Variants include the 8HP45, 8HP50, 8HP70, and 8HP75, among others. The 8HP is still fitted to many current BMW models today and is widely regarded as one of the best automatic transmissions ever built when it's properly maintained. There's a third category worth mentioning, BMW M models, like older E9 XM3s and F8 XM3s, and M4s use a dual-clutch transmission, or DCT. This unit requires its own specialized DCT fluid, entirely separate from what the ZF automatics use. If you have an M car with a DCT, do not assume the same service rules apply. Each of these transmissions uses a different fluid, a different service interval, and different procedures. Using the wrong fluid, even one that claims to be compatible, changes the internal pressure behavior, friction characteristics, and clutch feel in ways that accumulate damage over time. The fluid your BMW actually needs. For the ZF 6-speed automatic, the correct fluid is ZF Lifeguard 6, which BMW also refers to as ATF2. It carries a Dexron 6 rating. Critical point: if your 6HP transmission was originally filled with Dexron 6, you cannot substitute Dexron 4. These fluids are not interchangeable, and using the older spec in a transmission designed for the newer one can cause shifting problems. For the ZF 8-speed automatic, the correct fluid is ZF Lifeguard 8, which BMW refers to as ATF3+. The equivalent shell specification is ML12108. This fluid was engineered specifically for the 8HP's friction behavior and pressure requirements. For BMW M models with a dual-clutch transmission, fluid is typically sourced from pentosan or shell and is specific to the DCT. It is not interchangeable with ZF fluid, full stop. The reason fluid specification matters so much with BMWs is that ZF designs these transmissions around the precise chemical properties of their own fluid. The additive packages, viscosity curves, and friction modifiers are tuned to that specific formulation. An aftermarket fluid that claims compatibility introduces uncertainty across hundreds of thousands of shift cycles. The price difference between genuine ZF fluid and a knockoff is small. The price difference between a healthy transmission and a rebuilt one is not. The exact intervals BMW owners should follow. Here is where the real controversy lives, and it deserves a direct answer. BMW has historically marketed many of its transmissions as lifetime fill, meaning the factory fluid never needs changing. Many BMW owners have taken this literally. It has cost them dearly. What BMW actually means by lifetime is approximately 100,000 miles, the expected service life of the fluid under warranty conditions. After 100,000 miles, that fluid is no longer BMW's responsibility. According to ZF itself, the manufacturer of the actual gearbox, the recommended service interval is every 60,000 to 80,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. ZF recommends both a fluid change and a filter service at these intervals. For practical BMW ownership, most experienced technicians align with ZF's recommendation. The 6 HP automatics are widely serviced at every 60,000 to 80,000 miles. The 8 HP automatics follow a similar interval, with many shops recommending the 60,000 mile mark for real-world driving. If you do a lot of city driving, towing, or performance driving, move that interval closer to 50,000 miles. BMW M models with a DCT require more frequent attention. DCT fluid intervals generally run 30,000 to 40,000 miles because the wet clutch system generates more heat and friction material contamination than a traditional automatic. Time matters too, not just mileage. A BMW that sits for years still ages its fluid. Heat cycles, moisture, and oxidation degrade fluid chemistry even in a garage queen. If your BMW is more than 6 years old and you cannot confirm the transmission fluid has ever been changed, treat it as overdue, regardless of mileage. Why a transmission flush on a BMW is a mistake. This is the detail that separates good advice from expensive advice. When it comes to BMW ZF automatics, a full transmission flush is not recommended, and many BMW specialists refuse to perform them. Here is why. A flush forces nearly all the old fluid out of the system at once using pressure or a machine. This sounds thorough, but it also dislodges accumulated debris from the valve body, clutch packs, and internal passages. On a BMW with high mileage or neglected fluid, that debris has settled into a relatively stable environment. Flushing it out can push particles into sensitive areas of the valve body, causing erratic shifts, pressure loss, or worse. The correct procedure for BMW ZF transmissions is a drain and fill. This replaces approximately 50 to 60% of the fluid in the pan while leaving the rest of the system undisturbed. It refreshes the additive package and removes a significant portion of contaminated fluid without shocking the system. Most BMW specialists will perform 2 or 3 drain and fill cycles over several thousand miles to gradually refresh the fluid in stages when dealing with a high-mileage transmission. The high-mileage mistake that destroys healthy gearboxes. Now for the part that costs BMW owners the most money, and it does not come from neglect. It comes from good intentions applied too late. A BMW reaches 120,000 or 150,000 miles on its original transmission fluid. The owner, finally informed, decides to fix the oversight and has the fluid changed in one go. The transmission was shifting fine before the appointment. Within weeks, it begins slipping, shifting harshly, or shuddering. The repair estimate comes back at $4,000 to $6,000 or more. What happened? The aging transmission had adapted over time to its environment. Clutch material wears slowly and normally inside any automatic transmission, and fine particles remain suspended in the fluid. These particles are not ideal, but in a high-mileage transmission, they become part of how the clutch packs generate grip. When a large volume of fresh fluid is introduced all at once, that balance is disrupted. The new detergents clean aggressively. Clutch packs that were marginally surviving suddenly lose their grip. Weaknesses that were hidden become exposed. This is why many experienced BMW technicians recommend leaving an overdue, smoothly operating transmission alone, rather than triggering a failure through late intervention. If your BMW is running well and you have missed the service window by a large margin, the decision of whether to service it, and how, should be made by a professional who can inspect the fluid condition first. Black fluid with a burnt smell indicates serious degradation. Dark brown fluid after 80,000 miles in a smoothly shifting transmission is a different conversation entirely. The filter. Do you need to replace it? The ZF6 HP and 8 HP both have serviceable filters, and here is the good news. Replacing the filter is part of the ZF recommended service procedure. ZF sells pan and filter kits as an assembly. The integrated pan and filter unit is replaced as one piece, which makes the service straightforward for a professional. For ZF automatics, serviced at the correct intervals, the filter should be replaced alongside the fluid. If you have been diligent about service, the filter will not be clogged, and the procedure is routine. If the transmission has gone well beyond its service interval, a professional should inspect the old filter before making a recommendation. A heavily contaminated filter can tell you a great deal about what is happening inside the gearbox. The strategy that gets BMWs to 200,000 miles. A BMW ZF automatic that is serviced correctly is one of the most durable gearboxes on the road. The 8 HP in particular has an excellent reputation when properly maintained. The strategy is not complicated. Know which transmission you have. Use the correct ZF Lifeguard fluid, not a generic ATF that claims compatibility. Service the fluid and filter every 60,000 miles, not every 100,000 and not never. Use drain and fill, not a flush. Have a professional assess high-mileage transmissions before any service if the history is unknown. And stop believing the sealed for life myth. ZF itself does not believe it. BMW builds exceptional vehicles, but exceptional vehicles still have fluid that breaks down, clutches that wear, and filters that accumulate debris. Informed ownership is what separates a BMW that reaches 200,000 miles from one that needs a transmission at 110,000. Take care of the gearbox early, and it will reward you for a very long time.